Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Apple iCloud for data encryption and privacy, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in www.icloud.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign in option and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your Apple ID. Type in your Apple ID in the provided field. Next, click on Next to proceed. On the following screen, enter your password associated with your Apple ID. After typing your password, click on Sign In. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a verification code on your trusted device. Retrieve the code from your device and enter it in the prompt on the screen. Once you've input the verification code, click on Continue. Now you should be signed into your iCloud account. After signing in, you will see various icons representing different iCloud services. For data encryption, navigate to the Account Settings. Look for the Security section in your account settings. Here, you can review your current security settings for better privacy. Ensure that two-factor authentication is enabled for an extra layer of protection. If you haven't set it up yet, follow the on-screen instructions to enable this feature. Next, explore the iCloud Drive option for storing and managing your files securely. You can upload data to iCloud Drive, which will be encrypted during transfer and storage. To enhance privacy further, regularly update your Apple ID password. You can change your password under the Security section in Account Settings. Make sure to create a strong password that contains a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Review the data you have stored in iCloud to ensure that it includes only what you want to keep private. Consider enabling Find My iPhone to help secure devices and data in case of loss. Regularly check your devices linked to your Apple ID from the Devices section in Account Settings. Make any necessary adjustments or remove devices that you no longer use. Your account should now be configured for optimal data encryption and privacy. Make it a habit to review your security settings periodically. This ensures that your personal information remains safe and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.